can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Optimism. Over the last 1 year, Optimism has lost 70% of its value. Over the last 1 month, Optimism is down 25.6%. The last 1 week has seen Optimism decline by 3.8%. So how high can Optimism go in the coming days and coming weeks? We're back to range low. We're back to where Optimism was trading way back in June of 2022 before we saw that huge pump. We look at Optimism valuation against the US dollar, Optimism valuation against Bitcoin, Optimism valuation against Ethereum, and we'll finally look at Optimism's market cap. With market participants expecting all season, with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market tending towards extreme greed, how high will Optimism go? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Optimism currently trades around the $0.6 level with a market cap of $1 billion. Fully diluted market cap sitting at $2.58 billion. Optimism has an unlocked market cap of $1.24 billion. Maximum supply for Optimism sits at 4.29 billion tokens, and only 1.7 billion of those tokens are in circulation. The all-time high for Optimism came in on the 6th of March 2024. We saw it trading for as high as $4.85. Right now it's down 85% from that all-time highs. Why is Optimism important in the currency market? Optimism is the layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism but ultimately secured on Ethereum. And with all coins showing some little signs of life, with all coins showing signs of alt season, I will not be shocked if Optimism joins in the party. But guys, it's not been a smooth ride if you have been holding Optimism through the years. After it was launched in May of 2022, what happened? We saw Optimism dumping to Goblin Town, losing 90% of its value in the process. But that's a normal thing to happen to all coins. That's what all coins do. They're very volatile. They can easily go down 90%. They can easily pump thousands of percentages. And we saw Optimism giving the market the best run for its money. We saw Optimism trying to rally to higher prices from that $0.4 level to all-time highs where Optimism got to on the 4th of March 2024 when it was trading above the $4.7 level. That was a 1,000% move, and how happened in around 630 days. But the good times in the cryptocurrency market don't last forever. After Optimism got to that highs, we stayed under decline since March of 2024. Optimism has been in a downtrend. We have been setting lower highs and lower lows. We've seen Optimism lose value against the US dollar. From where it was trading in 2024, Optimism has come back to the range lows that lost 88% of its value. We had a mini rally in December of 2024. Couldn't see set new highs. It's been down only ever since then. Optimism is down for the last 462 days. But guys, I don't believe it will be down only forever. I believe in seeing the positive in every situation. And right now, it's signs of alt season around the corner. We have to ask ourselves the $1 million question. How high could Optimism possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We have to look at the key resistance level where we might face some rejection. The $1 level looks like the obvious level. Gotten rejected there multiple times. I believe if we rally towards the $1 level, there will be some strong reactions in that key level. If we continue pumping, guys, there's still resistance around the $2.7 level. We got there in December of 2024. That was a strong level, and we got rejected in December of 2024. Maybe the second time is a charm. Maybe we'll get rejected again. But one thing is for sure, if Optimism is going to go to higher prices, we have to battle that strong resistance level before we can make an attempt for the previous all-time highs, which is around the $4.7 level. From where Optimism is currently trading right now, for us to rally to as high as that $4.7, we need to see an epic pump for Optimism. Optimism will need to go up by more than 600%. All season is when all coins pump aggressively, and we're seeing some early signs of all season. We're seeing sentiment in the cryptocurrency market improve. I'll not be shocked, guys, in the next few days we start seeing all coins going parabolic, Optimism included. If you want to get some Optimism for yourself, you can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Optimism right there. Look at Optimism performance against Bitcoin. It's been dropping to new lows week after week, day after day, but that's normal in the altcoin market. We saw it almost getting to new all-time highs in February of 2023. In March of 2024, we couldn't match that February of 2023 highs. It's been down only since then. A lot of these altcoins eventually just bleed to zero against Bitcoin with the occasional pump here and there. That occasional pump usually comes in altcoin season format. We saw a little alt season in March of 2024 where we saw altcoins pumping. Guess what Optimism did? Outperformed Bitcoin. I'll be expecting similar price action over the next few days and the next few weeks, where you could easily see a 700% pump to the upside, a 500% pump, or maybe even a 200% pump. But one thing is sure, the ending phase of the market cycle, market participants go risk on, and risk on means all coins easily start pumping. Hopefully Optimism will be one of those altcoins that retail will rush into. Now if you look at Optimism's performance against Ethereum, similar story to its performance against Bitcoin. It's been dumping aggressively to gobbling town over the last few years. They'll not be able to set new all-time highs, lower lows and lower highs. Right now, it's at a new all-time low. Historically, buying at a new all-time low has proven to be wise. Selling at a new all-time high has proven to even be better. But we can still go lower. But one thing is for sure, there's going to be a turning point, and that turning point will see Optimism hopefully outperform Ethereum. But nothing crazy. I expect a 200 to a 300% pump. And one thing I realize in the cryptocurrency market is over expectations. When people are expecting thousands of percentages pump, when they could easily just go home with a 10 to 20x. If you look at Optimism's market cap sitting around the $1 billion level, we have seen the market cap even get to as high as $4.9 billion, but that was in March of 2024. Since then, Optimism's market cap has declined by over 81%. In the coming days and coming weeks, as we rally to higher prices, guys, don't get carried away. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. If we get to that $3.4 billion level, we might face rejection. We faced rejection there in December of 2024, but Optimism is going for that all-time high. It's beginning to rally above the $4.9 billion region. And for that rally to come through, guys, that rally will have to see us pump from the $1 billion level. We have to go up by more than 370%, which I believe can happen very, very quickly in the altcoin market. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, right now there's greed in the market. Yesterday there was greed. Last week sentiment was neutral. Last month there was some greed in the market. Bitcoin trades above $105,000. All coins are pumping. Historically, that has led to the ending of the market cycle. Historically, that has led to altcoin season. And over the next few days and the next few weeks, as sentiments go from extreme fear to extreme greed, remember the good times doesn't last forever. You want to sell for some sweet profit, guys. Drop it in the comment section. Are you buying more Optimism right now? How high do you think Optimism can go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.